Because rain washes pollutants out of the air, many lakes are undergoing changes in pH. The water in one lake was found to have a hydronium ion concentration of 4.9 times 10 raised to negative 6 molar. What is the pH of this lake? Is it considered acidic or basic? So this question is pretty straightforward. We are given the hydronium concentration and we just need to determine the pH. The formula for pH is equal to negative log of the concentration of hydronium. So this is equal to negative log of 4.9 times 10 raised to negative 6 molar, which is equal to 5.31. So the pH is equal to 5.31. And we know that at 25 degrees Celsius, pH less than 7 is acidic, pH equal to 7 is neutral, and pH greater than 7 is basic. Therefore, 5.31 is acidic pH. So the answers to these questions are 5.31 and acidic.